Hey chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me this year. We have reached 2,000 plus subscribers thanks to you. I hope you will keep growing with me in 2020. I hope 2019 was great. I hope that 2020 will be even greater for you and your loved ones. So let's get to this video. Today I'm going to share my favorite Caribbean breakfast recipe, baked and fried saltfish. So chefs, this is a two-part recipe. Today I'm only going to make the fried saltfish, so make sure you click the notification bell to be notified when I post the fried baked recipe. So let's see the ingredients for this recipe. I have 1 pound of bone-in salted fish. I have some fresh tap water in my bowl, and I'm adding some lime juice as well as some white distilled vinegar to my water. This is a huge piece of saltfish and I only need 2 servings, so I'm going to split it in half, then split that half in 2. I'm adding the 2 pieces to my bowl and I'm soaking them for about an hour to remove some of that salt that was used to preserve the fish. For my next step, I am rinsing off the fish under some tap water and I'm adding it to a pot. I'm filling the pot with enough water to cover the salted fish and I'm going to boil it to remove most of the salt and loosen up the dried fish. While the saltfish is boiling, I'm moving on to my vegetables. I have some garlic cloves, some green onion, a piece of onion, 1 tomato, and a few pieces of red bell pepper. I have drained the cloudy water from my boiled saltfish and replaced it with fresh water and continue to boil it. While the saltfish is boiling, I'm going to finely chop all my vegetables and set them aside. Once my 2 pieces of saltfish were done, I drained them, rinsed them, and set them aside. Now I'm removing the skin from the fish, then lightly washing it off. Then I'm going to place them into a clean bowl. This is the saltfish after it has been cleaned. I'm using my clean hands to shred the fish and also remove the fine bones at the same time. After shredding my fish, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of my green seasoning and I'm mixing both ingredients together. I'm preheating 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on medium heat. I'm adding my chopped vegetables to my preheated oil, except for my chopped tomato. After adding my chopped vegetables to my frying pan, I noticed that my pan was too small, so I transferred everything to a larger frying pan. I'm giving my vegetables a quick stir and I'm going to allow them to cook until they are translucent or soft. Now that my vegetables are soft, I'm stirring in the shredded salted fish. Once the fish starts to sizzle, I'm adding the chopped tomato. I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on low or until the tomatoes are soft. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water so that the saltfish can infuse the flavors from the vegetables, some dry parsley. I'm adding 1 dash of Old Bay seasoning and I'm mixing all the ingredients together. I'm going to continue cooking my saltfish on low for about 4 more minutes while stirring it occasionally. Guys, the saltfish is finally done and smells so good. So guys, this is my Caribbean breakfast. I had my fried saltfish with 2 fried bake. Let me know in the comments below if you ever had this dish. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.